everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop. Today I'm going to be working in the My Creative Bible. It's a King James version, and if you want to see me opening this up for the first time, I'll leave a link down below that you can go to and watch it. But today we're going to do a page in here. I've worked on it already some, but we're just going to go ahead and do a page together. So I'm working in Romans, and we're going to be doing Romans chapter 1 verse 22, and that says, professing themselves to be wise, they became fools. So I went ahead and already pre-drew what I'm going to paint on here. Let me do a close-up for you. So professing themselves to be wise, and the wise I depicted as an owl, which I got that picture from Google Images, so I just kind of redid it. And then they became fools, which is the picture of the jester, and that's Romans 1:22. Again, that was something that I found on Google. So hopefully this picture will turn out as good or better when I paint this on there. Once I start the painting, who knows, because I haven't done a whole lot of small detailed painting, but I'm hoping to do a whole lot more, especially with all these pages in this Bible if I want to fill them all up. So we're going to go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is go ahead and gesso it, because I'm going to be using acrylic paint. And if you can see, it's the other side, this side here. Oops. On this page, I already done it. But it's already showing on this side. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and do the acrylic. And to do that, I'm going to have to gesso it a little bit. So let me go ahead and get my stuff together, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to use clear gesso, called the Liquitex Professional Clear Gesso. I chose clear because I'd like to keep the page still looking cream, and so I didn't want the white gesso to change that. So what I'm going to do is put a little dollop on the page and just rub it on. Okay, I'm going to let that dry, and I'll come back and show you what else we're going to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm using all of the, I have folk art paints, I've got Anita's all-purpose acrylic paints, the craft paints, I've got Americana. So this is pretty well dry now, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward because it'll be too boring just to sit here and do this, because I'm kind of slow. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, everybody, my camera went out and I couldn't get pictures of what I was doing, but if you want to look and see what I've done already. So I've got the owl done. I think I might work on it some more later, but I think that's pretty much it. And then the jester is pretty much done. I think I'm going to color its cheeks a little bit. And then I have to do the words, which right now look horrible. So let's work on that. Okay, now I'm going to try to see if gel pens are going to work to do the lettering, because obviously I am no good at it with a paintbrush. So let's see if that'll work without smearing and working on top of acrylic. Okay, everybody, I think I'm finished. My lettering stinks. It's just something I'm going to have to practice. The one problem was I was drawing on top of acrylic that had little nooks and crannies in there and was making my pen kind of jump. So I tried to fix it. But I just don't think that turned out very good. But what I do like are my little characters here, my owl and the fool, or fools, which would be the jester. And I think that turned out pretty good. So for someone who doesn't really do a whole lot of this, I think I did fairly decent. And I think the more I do it, the better I'm going to get. So really excited. So if you guys want to see more of these types of videos, let me know. I may go ahead and do some more, because I did enjoy doing this. This was really fun. And eventually I'll do a flip through of all of Romans and let you see what I've done. Okay, if you guys have any comments, please let me know down below. If you want to see the video where I talk about this journaling Bible, I'll put that in the description. And if you guys haven't already and you would like to, please like and subscribe and push that notification bell to see when my next video comes up, and you can watch it right away. Alright, I think that's it. And let me know if you guys are doing any of this and how you do it. If you do it with pen ink, or acrylics, or watercolor, or, you know, let me know. I would love to hear from you. Alright. You guys like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Next Thursday. Lord willing, Lord willing, next Thursday I'll have another video up for you. Alright guys, bye!